Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: High Availability and Redundancy. High availability and redundancy are critical components in advanced networking within cloud environments, particularly for those pursuing mastery in CompTIA Cloud Plus. High availability refers to systems that are continuously operational for a desired length of time, minimizing downtime. Redundancy, on the other hand, involves duplicating critical components or functions of a system to increase reliability and availability. These concepts are essential for ensuring that cloud services remain resilient, fault-tolerant, and capable of meeting the demands of modern enterprises. High availability in cloud computing is achieved through various strategies, including load balancing, failover systems, and clustering. Load balancing distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server becomes a bottleneck, thereby improving responsiveness and availability. By distributing the workload in this manner, cloud providers can maintain high performance even during peak usage times. For instance, Amazon Web Services Elastic Load Balancing automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses, in one or more availability zones. Failover systems are another crucial aspect of high availability. These systems automatically switch to a standby database, server, or network if the primary one fails, minimizing downtime. This automated process ensures continuity and reliability, which are paramount in cloud environments, where downtime can lead to significant financial losses and reputational damage. For example, during the 2016 DIN cyber attack, many websites experienced downtime due to a lack of adequate failover systems. Companies with robust failover strategies, however, manage to maintain service availability, underscoring the importance of this approach. Clustering involves linking multiple servers to work together as a single system, increasing the system's overall capacity and reliability. If one server in the cluster fails, the other servers continue to operate, ensuring continuous service availability. This method is particularly beneficial for critical applications that require high availability and cannot afford any downtime. Google Cloud's Kubernetes engine, for instance, uses clustering to manage containerized applications, ensuring high availability and scalability. Redundancy complements high availability by providing backup components that can take over in case of failure. There are several types of redundancy, including hardware, software, and geographic redundancy. Hardware redundancy involves duplicating critical hardware components such as servers, storage devices, and network equipment to prevent single points of failure. For example, RAID technology is widely used to protect against disk failures by storing the same data in different places on multiple hard disks. Software redundancy involves using multiple software systems that perform the same function, ensuring that if one system fails, another can take over. This technique is commonly used in cloud environments to provide fault tolerance and improve reliability. For instance, microservices architecture, where applications are divided into smaller, independent services, allows for software redundancy. If one microservice fails, others can continue to function, maintaining the overall application performance. Geographic redundancy enhances both high availability and redundancy by distributing data and applications across multiple geographic locations. This distribution ensures that a regional disaster or outage does not affect the entire system. Cloud providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud offer multi-region deployment options to ensure geographic redundancy. For instance, AWS's global infrastructure spans multiple geographic regions and availability zones, enabling customers to deploy applications in multiple locations to ensure high availability and disaster recovery. Statistics highlight the importance of high availability and redundancy in cloud environments. According to a survey by the Uptime Institute, the average cost of data center downtime is approximately $9,000 per minute, underscoring the financial implications of service interruptions. Furthermore, a Gartner report predicts that by 2025, 80% of enterprises will have shut down their traditional data centers, moving to cloud-based services that offer higher availability and redundancy. These statistics emphasize the necessity for organizations to adopt robust high availability and redundancy strategies to remain competitive and resilient. Real-world examples further illustrate the significance of these concepts. Netflix, a leading streaming service, leverages high availability and redundancy to ensure uninterrupted service to its millions of users worldwide. Netflix operates on AWS, employing strategies like multi-region deployment and automated failover to maintain service availability even during hardware failures or regional outages. Similarly, Dropbox, a popular cloud storage service, uses a combination of hardware redundancy, geographic redundancy, and load balancing to provide reliable service to its users. By replicating data across multiple data centers and using load balancing to distribute traffic, Dropbox ensures high availability and data integrity. Implementing high availability and redundancy requires careful planning and consideration of various factors, including cost, complexity, and specific business needs. While these strategies can significantly enhance service reliability, they also come with additional costs for hardware, software, and maintenance. Organizations must balance these costs against the potential losses from downtime and service interruptions. Moreover, implementing these strategies can add complexity to the system, requiring specialized knowledge and skills to manage and maintain. Cloud providers offer various tools and services to help organizations implement high availability and redundancy. For example, AWS provides services like elastic load balancing, auto-scaling, and multi-AZ deployments to enhance availability and redundancy. Microsoft Azure offers similar services, including Azure Load Balancer, Azure Traffic Manager, and Azure Site Recovery. Google Cloud provides tools like Cloud Load Balancing, Google Kubernetes Engine, and Cloud Spanner for achieving high availability and redundancy. These tools simplify the implementation process, allowing organizations to leverage the expertise and infrastructure of cloud providers to enhance their own systems. In conclusion, high availability and redundancy are essential components of advanced networking in cloud environments. These strategies ensure that cloud services remain resilient, fault-tolerant, and capable of meeting the demands of modern enterprises. By employing techniques like load balancing, failover systems, clustering, and various types of redundancy, organizations can minimize downtime, enhance service reliability, and protect against potential financial losses. The importance of these concepts is underscored by real-world examples, statistics, and the increasing trend of enterprises moving to cloud-based services. As organizations continue to rely on cloud computing for their critical operations, mastering high availability and redundancy will be crucial for ensuring long-term success and competitiveness. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.